Straight into the corridors of justice, where a police officer and a man posing as a Kenya Defence Force officer and two other accused persons will now know their fate on a bond application this Wednesday after the court deferred the ruling. Aziz Ali Keoka is accused of neglecting his official duties and declining to surrender 14 rounds of ammunition to the armory, while his co-accused are accused of giving false information by forging documents and also being in possession of disciplined forces equipment. Details of this and more in the Scales of Justice segment.
According to the prosecution, Ali Keokia allegedly failed to surrender 3 tear gas canisters to armory as required by the NPS Act. Kofi Bill Atinda is accused of posing as an officer of the rank of a captain at KDF, thus preventing police officers from arresting and conducting a search on his vehicle. His personal driver and a businessman are accused of being in possession of equipment meant for disciplined forces, including radio calls and tear gas canisters.
He has never been charged in any court of law and will abide by whatever bail terms and conditions of this court may impose.
And the reason that has been advanced to that effect is that the details that have been given by the witnesses, the alleged witnesses who have not been disclosed, differ from the document that you have.
However, defense lawyers put up a spirited fight to secure their release, with prosecution urging the court to deny them bail or bond pending investigations.
22nd of this month at 9:30 a.m. in the morning.
On the same breath, the suspect, namely Judge Kojo Odera, has been charged for being in possession of 10 rounds of ammunition. The Office of the Director of Public Prosecution told Trial Magistrate Robinson Ondeki that the accused had intended to use the firearm in a manner prejudicial to public order without a firearm certificate.
So there's a plea of not guilty. The case will be mentioned in court number 5 on the 3rd of June 2024. The accused may be released on a bond of 200,000 shillings plus one surety of the same amount, or a cash bail of 100,000 shillings.
Elsewhere, Milimani's Anti-Corruption Court Magistrate Celesa Okore has set July 17th as the pre-trial conference of 4 suspects in the 209 million shillings fake fertilizer scam matter. The prosecution told the court that the documentary evidence available was very bulky and needed more time to supply to the defense. Ruth Wamboi for Prime Edition.